Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the essentials and immediately creating a run/debug configuration in Pycharm. Point the configuration at your Flask app entry, select the correct interpreter, and make sure the virtualenv matches your project. Once done, add breakpoints on the routes or functions you want to inspect. Set Python unbuffered equals 1 to avoid buffered logs. Make sure you are not just using Flask's built-in reloader without Pycharm attached. Instead, start the debugger so Pycharm owns the process and will stop at your breakpoints. Now configure how the app runs so the debugger works reliably. Disable Flask auto-reload during interactive debugging or use Pycharm's Flask run template, which handles reloading correctly. Otherwise, the reloader spawns another process that bypasses the debugger. Make sure Flask app is set and Flask env equals development for tracebacks. If your app runs in Docker or a remote host, attach Pycharm remote debugger using the provided egg or configure a remote interpreter. This way, breakpoints, Finally, run the app under Pycharm's debugger and trigger the endpoints you set breakpoints in. You will see execution stop. You step over and step into to navigate code and inspect local and global variables from the variables or frames pane. Evaluate expressions in the debug console and add watches for values you care about. If things go wrong, verify the interpreter and virtualenv, ensure no duplicate process from the Flask reloader, and confirm port mapping or firewall rules when debugging inside containers or remote servers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.